Hello friends and fans, hope you all are doing great. So today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make it, how to make Instagram post like a pro in just 5 minutes of work. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and go to this site. This is called canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, make sure you have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, make sure you have a Gmail account. First of all, how to make a Gmail account. This is simple. Everybody know how to make a Gmail account. You just simply go to the google.com and write sign up Gmail. The Google tells you how to make a Gmail account. Put your name, name, date of birth, and the requirement Google are asking to you. Then go to the then the Gmail account is made. So we're gonna go to the canva.com and sign with your Gmail account. The canva.com automatically make your account of Canva. So this page will appear. This page show how you can create a post. If you have an order from whatever side, Upwork, Fiverr, or a local site, or you have a manual order from your customer, so just simply click on create a design and right click on that, and now right here Instagram post. It will show the Instagram post 10 by 80 pixel to 13 by 15, 10 by 80 pixel to 10 by 18, 10 by 80 pixel to 10 by 18. This is for picture, this is for post, this is for file. 320 to 320. Reels is for 380 to 1920. This is for video, and story will be, it will be into a picture of a small video, a short, or a long video. It depends on the video size. So this is the story video size, and this is the coronavirus Instagram post. This is the easier Instagram story, and this is the workshop Instagram post and portrait sizes. Okay, now we choose the first one, Instagram post portrait. The tablets are opening in the second tab. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna just make a post for education. So it will show the education. So we're gonna click on online education post. So we're gonna make an online education post for social media marketing. So we're gonna click on this one and zoom in a little bit. So webinars. So we're gonna change into, we're gonna just make an adjustment and online okay, social media marketing, this code Monday 10 April 2013, this code also this code. So we're gonna change the color. We're gonna change the color into this one. Okay, and change this one into also no. Okay, this is in blue. Okay, so this is the first post. We're gonna make more posts like this, like a theme. So we're gonna select this one and change into the first one like our color theme. So we're gonna just simply change the color into orange, and this will be into a dark blue color. Okay, and this is also do a dark blue color, and down below make the text into a dark blue color. And now we're gonna change this side into or dark blue color, and make the background side into clear white color. Okay, so this is now digital marketing strategy. This is our theme. Now we're gonna make a theme for the third post. Okay, we're gonna simply just click on this one. Okay, and change the colors like this, like this. Okay, and change this small logo into blue color. So we are making our theme a randomly theme. So we're gonna scroll down a little bit more and select our digital for one of these. So this is for our health center. So we're gonna make our health center this is a pattern, so we're gonna change the pattern color into blue and this one into orange. Okay, one, two, three, four. So we're gonna select more for our post, just simply dragging down and the Canva will show appears. So we find one more post, so we're gonna change this into dark blue color and this color into this one. Okay, now we gonna add one more and just scroll it down. This one. So this is how you can make Instagram post for your Instagram account. We made a theme for all of that. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.